Okay, welcome back. Video 4. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this HTML block. Take that out there and get rid of this text. Just click on it, delete it. What I want to show you up here, okay, you've seen the basics. You've seen that. That's your sort of text art that we did that with. Yeah, you got a bit of clip art. Nothing really exciting. Nothing as exciting as I am Doodlebee. Obviously, let's click on that little butterfly. Obviously, again, if you double click on it, there's all the properties. You can change it, change the color, change the outline, put a link in, whatever you need to do as normal. What I do want to show you here, these are all your menus. Okay, you've got different types of menus. Have a look at them. You've got those type of menus. Delete. You've got these type of menus. These you normally find at the bottom. Just pull that. You find these normally at the bottom of your page with your privacy policy and that type of stuff at the bottom. You get the go menu ones. That's quite nice. That looks nice and professional, especially if you pop it up onto your. If you pop it up like that, and they click on that little goodie and it drops down. It's a little drop down menu. That's nice. There's another way. If you double click, you add in all your menu bars, add it, edit it. Okay, this is quite a good one. This one has already got styles that are made for you, little buttons. So if we double click, have a look here. Let's just edit this. We'll call it home. We normally add our URL in. Okay, this one we click on, we edit. Let's call that contact. Okay, put a URL in there. Bluevoter. Let's edit this and call it our blog. I normally do a blog with my website, so I can put a lot of content on it, and I can use this main website as my main attraction, graphic wise. Let's just remove that Bluevoter. Okay, so you can click on style, and this will give you all the style of the different buttons. There's quite a nice variety to choose from. Where's that gone? Okay, let's pop back. Yeah, you just scroll down here and see all your options. I saw something nice there. Where did that was nice. That I think might go. Oh, that looks nice. That's normal. And hover. You don't want to change your button when you hover. I don't know why they have that facility, but where's that other same? I want to do it like same. That is okay. I'm not going to see the text here, so let's change the color of the text to white. There we go. There's your preview over there. You say okay. Wow, look at that. That fits nicely with this theme. Double click at the bottom here. It's vertical. I want to make it horizontal, and this is the space in between. I actually don't want a space, so let's put 0. Have a look what it looks like. Look at that. That looks nice. Okay, so I'm happy with that. This I'm not happy with, so I'm going to delete it for now. But look at that, it's taking shape, looking good. So those are all your menu buttons at the top. This is also a nice favorite of mine. I love this glass button. It takes on a whole nice feel. It's a nice feel, that button. Double click on it, change your name, put your link in, done. Let's take it off. Okay, and then further on here, there's your RSS feed. There's a logo creator. I don't really normally use this logo creator. I find it quite boring. Let's just delete that. That's why I've got I am Doodlebee. And then these are all different. There's a gallery. These are all for your images. There's a conveyor belt for your images, a gallery, a rotator, a rollover. So basically on any one of these you can click, put something in, and that will click again. You can add another pick in, and basically that's a rotator. So when people open up, it'll rotate your different images, you know, your gallery. All you do is you just add another one, etc., etc., and you're done. Okay, make sure your images are all the same size, so when you do either of these galleries or these conveyor belts or whatever, that your images are the same size. Normally from, I would say, what's 1, 2, 3, I'd say about 350 pixels in length if you want to do it in that size. Okay, so you work out your pixels, as you can see from the top, you have 600 pixels is from there to there, so half of that would be 300 pixels. So if you want to do something at 300 pixels, that will give you a general idea of the size, because in IMDoodlebee everything is in size. So we wanted to bring a nice, let's get a nice black car in. That's okay, that's 200, 400, that's 400 pixels. That's quite big, so we know it's going to be fairly large. Let's open that. Bump. Okay. Oh, that looks like I like that. Let's just make this on top. Arrange. Move to the front. Car doesn't have much to do with sound, but I just like the way that looks. Don't you think it looks nice and professional? Okay, that's looking good. Okay, let's just go and do something a little bit different now. Let's right click, go back to properties. I always right click off all these graphics on the background, left click on it. What I'm going to do now, and just show you what can happen if you put a background tile in. Here's the image. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go back to IMDoodlebee graphics. I'm going to find tiles and find something that'll this will be nice. Boom. Okay, so it pops your image there. You say okay, boom, there it is. Now isn't that a beautiful website? Well, it's got lots of potential. It was quickly built, just adding graphics, and we're nearly done. I don't know what this is, but it must go. Okay, I think we better save this page. It's actually untitled at the moment, so I'll go to File, Save Page As. Now if this is your main page, your home page that you're working with, we always must call it index. Okay, index. It saves it as a Blue Voda file, which is a BVP. We save that. Okay, it's saved. Okay, so obviously saved in a file where you know you're going to find it again. Let's pull that there. Oh, it's looking good. If you're going to create another page and you call it home, for instance, or articles, or okay, let's go here. Maybe you're going to call it contact. If you name your page contact and you save it as contact, then the address to that page would be this is what is a soundtrack? Soundtrack.com stroke contact.html. Okay, your index page will be your domain name. So basically, if you register a domain as what did we say, soundtrack.com, then the index will take you to soundtrack.com. Okay, and any other page you add onto that will be soundtrack.com stroke contact.html. That'll go directly to your blog, URL, etc., etc. Okay, and then last but not least, if we want to publish it, very, very simple. We just go to File, we say Publish. This pops up. What happens is we can put our server in. When you register your hosting account, you will get your server IP, you'll get a username, you'll get a password. Your folder will always be done in, just take that out, public HTML. Okay, and then you just push publish, and bang, it goes on live onto the website. If you make some changes later on, you can say either publish all files, or just go say publish changed files only, and you publish to update it. So basically you'll get all this information from your hosting company. Now the only catch is BlueVoda only works with VodaHost, so you'd have to do your hosting through them. That is the only catch here. But in saying that, I've used VodaHost for years. They're well priced. They've won numerous awards. They are really, really good. I've had no problem with them whatsoever. So to get this kind of software to work and build, it's really, really worth it to use them as a hosting, because this gives you so many options, and it is really, really good, as you can see here. The last video we'll maybe do one or two more difficult things, but basically these are all the basics that you need to know, and look how quickly we've put a website together.